Hello everyone and welcome to our new section which is called searching algorithms. In this section we are going to learn different types of searching algorithms like linear search and binary search. As the name implies, searching algorithm is mentioned to search for something. So when we say search, some of you might think of something like Google right away. Now algorithm behind Google search is very complex, probably the most complex one. Because the algorithm behind the Google works based on many factors, which means that if I search for Java, it might give different results than others. So it depends on many things like browsing history or the things that you clicked or the things that you have done. So I just want to mention that we are not going to create something like Google search in our lectures. We will just learn commonly used ones which will be helpful for us in our interview process or for developing our application. Now you might be thinking, why do we need these algorithms and where we can use them? So let's say we have an application like this and we want our users to register. It's obvious that the usernames must be unique. So if someone registers with the username of Ershad, for example, and there is a second person who wants to choose that username, so we have to check that if the username exists in our list or not. So that's where searching algorithms come in. So whenever someone tries to register, we search that username in our list. If this exists, we are returning saying that the username is already taken. If it is not there, we are registering it, and by inserting it to our list, we are returning a message saying that successfully registered. So this is one simple example of usage of searching algorithms in our application. Now let's get started to see what are the different types of searching algorithms that we have.